Thank you for the opportunity to speak at this event. Looking through the programme, I'm really struck by how this is addressing the huge challenges facing not just Scotland, but globally, and climate change is the defining challenge of our time. But the focus is also on the practical. It's a very Scottish approach, acknowledging the scale of what lies before us, then talking and learning from each other about what we can do, and then rolling up our sleeves. I've been asked to say a few words about the importance of skills to our net zero and biodiversity ambitions. And those ambitions will push all of us into new areas. We'll need to think of new ways of making our businesses, our communities, our homes able to shoulder the changes that will come from a net zero future. And we'll also have new opportunities to bring value to our economy, our society, and above all, our environment from those changes. But whatever we do, skills will be central. Rural Scotland has a long history of understanding the importance of learning new skills. Life in many rural and island parts of Scotland demands that we are jacks of all trades while pushing forward expertise and innovation. And above all, rural businesses and communities have always had to be adaptable, ready to face new challenges while taking advantage of opportunities when they come. Green skills should be no different. The focus might be different, but the spirit you bring to learning them won't be. As a government, we're committed to ensuring that our recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic is a green recovery. And a crucial part of that is understanding the skills that we need to deliver a just transition to net zero and for future jobs. Now that phrase, just transition, is crucial. It means that while change can't be avoided, it's imperative that the change is made in a just, a fair way, and one that gives individuals the capacity and the opportunity to grasp the benefits of changes, not simply roll with the punches. Those changes will be acutely felt by some parts of the rural economy. Now, across my own ministerial portfolio, Rural Affairs and Islands, we're working with the agricultural sector to help farming and our use of land to support our commitments on net zero and biodiversity, while ensuring the sustainability and high quality of our agriculture. It's not simply about the land though. We're developing and delivering a blue economy strategy that realises the vast resources that our seas and coastal areas bring to Scotland. That will bring huge potential for coastal parts of rural Scotland and our islands. The skills needed to take advantage of that, particularly in renewables, will change the way that marine and rural Scotland has sometimes looked in different directions for its skills needs. At the heart of all of this though, is making sure that we have the right support for skills in rural areas over the coming decades. And that's why we've set up a commission to review learning in our land-based and aquaculture sectors, looking at learning pathways from early years to adult. The aim of the commission is to provide opportunities for more people, and specifically more women and young people, to work in these sectors and particularly in green skills. The review will look at the kind of school education, higher and further education provision, wider learning, including apprenticeships and reskilling. This supports the work already underway as part of the Skills Action Plan for Rural Scotland and our Climate Emergency Skills Action Plan, making sure that people in rural businesses and communities have the skills they need to benefit from our investments now and in the future. Now, beyond my portfolio, there are major cross-government programmes of work that will bring together different policies to ensure skills are embedded across Scottish Government policy. This includes our new 10-year National Strategy for Economic Transformation, which we will be publishing soon, our programme of work to address the population challenges of Scotland, not least in rural areas, and our commitments to fair work and a just transition to net zero. We need a collaborative approach to delivering our ambitions and making sure that everyone can take advantage of innovation and investment. The case studies and today's agenda reflect the amazing work that's happening across Scotland, and it offers a real opportunity for us to learn from each other. And I am just sorry that I can't be involved in today's event, but I'm glad that you've given me the chance to share my thoughts. Thank you very much.